Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm in my kitchen, so we are going to be making slime. This is going to be slime that you can hold and pick up, not the other one which you couldn't hold and pick up. So all you need is oil, any kind of oil. You need cornstarch, or if you don't have cornstarch, it has to be. If you need cornstarch, or if you don't have cornstarch, it has to be all-purpose flour. It has to be all-purpose. And you need dish soap. It don't matter what dish soap, any kind. And then you also need oil. I already said that. It doesn't matter what kind of oil, but you have to use cornstarch or all-purpose flour. So I don't have cornstarch, so I'm going to use all-purpose flour. I made some already. I'm going to make another batch. Alright, so you need a mixing spoon. I have to wish this off. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna rinse my bowl out. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to be using is, so first you're going to need to pour some dish soap. Not that much. And then after you pour dish soap, you take the flour and you're going to pour about two spoons. Alright, so after that you're going to mix it. So I mixed it and it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like this. Then I'm going to take my oil. I'm going to pour it inside the cap. You're only supposed to pour a little bit. You're not supposed to pour a lot. Okay, so I got a little bit inside the cap. I'm going to pour in my oil. Okay. So if it turns out like this and it's not pokeable, it's very sticky, then that means you have to add more to it. I just figured out why I had the light cut off, y'all. Sorry. I'm going to add more to it. So, looks like this. If it's too sticky, then you can add more flour. So I added more flour to mine. I don't know if I'm mixing I took a slime. Okay, so it's still a little bit sticky. So what I'm going to do is add more oil. And the more oil you add, the less sticky. I'm going to add more oil. The same amount that I add. I'm pouring in the cap. And I'm going to add the oil. So I add the oil. Alright, so I'm stirring it. Oh, that's a lot of stirring. So okay. it has reduced the stickiness. It's reduced the stickiness when you add more oil. But just to make this video worth lasting, if it's still sticky, y'all can add more dish soap and stuff. Like y'all can like start the whole entire recipe back over. So I'm gonna add more dish soap to it. Like a little bit more. Like a little bit more. And I'm gonna stir it in. So if I get too sticky. So when I add this soap, it actually should poke it a little bit, so that way I can poke it. Okay, so I can poke it now. I can poke it now. It actually got to the point where I can poke it. And when I poke it, there's like, see, like when I poke it. When I poke it, it's like there's nothing on my hand. Poke. Okay, so I'm gonna add more flour. And I'm supposed to like repeat it like the steps over twice. I repeated them twice already. Very slime-like now. Okay, so it's getting very slimy-like. It's slow coming, y'all. It's getting very slime-like. Yeah. That was a spoon. But y'all have been asking me to do the 3 a.m. challenge. Actually, I will do the 3 a.m. challenge. I will. I'm going to be doing the Charlie, like don't play Charlie at 3 a.m. I already did the series challenge, the 3 a.m. series challenge. And y'all, it did sort of kind of work. Because I asked her about demons and stuff, and she was like, I can tell you, but I can show you. That that's when I stopped doing it. But I didn't post on YouTube because at that time I didn't have my phone. Okay. Now that, okay, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up. Look, you're supposed to play with it. I'm gonna pick it up. Okay, now I can like poke it, and when I poke it, there's like nothing on my hands. I'm poking it. Okay, so you need to get it to a point where you can poke it. Okay. Alright, and the more oil you add, the more you can poke it. You have to play with it. Okay, so that is it for my slime video. If it does not work, I'm sorry. But here's the little pointers you have to point out.